Namaste children and welcome to Rashtrotana Vidya Kendra. In our today's bridge course class, we will be learning the topic sentences. So what are sentences? We all use sentences. Whatever we talk, they are all sentences. So how do we frame sentence? We frame sentence using words. Is it not? We need words. And how can we use the words I, go, come, you, no, like? Is it a sentence? No. It should have group of words. It should have the group of words and it should also make complete sense. They should be meaningfully arranged. For example, if you take the example, the is blue sky. Is it a proper sentence? No. So how can we arrange it? The sky is blue. So this makes the sentence complete. Is it not? It is a complete sentence which makes complete sense. This, though it is group of words, it doesn't make a complete sense when it is not arranged properly. So to call it a sentence, first we should have group of words, then we should make sure they make complete sense. So we now know how the sentences are formed using the group of words. So how are they divided? They are divided into two parts. Okay, sentences are always divided into two parts. What are they? Sentences are divided as predicate and subject. So what are subject and predicates? So if you take the same sentence here, the sky is blue. As we all know, it is a complete sentence. Here the sky is a subject. And we are talking about sky here, right? What we are talking about is said to be as subject. What are we talking about here in this sentence? We are talking about the sky, and is blue is predicate in this sentence. So what is predicate? Predicate is always tells about subject. So I hope you have now understood what are sentences and how are they divided into two parts, namely subject and predicate. So now when we know what is sentence, what is subject and predicate, now let's know the types of sentences. So which are the types of sentences we come across? So there are mainly 4 types of sentences. How many types of sentences are there? There are 4 types of sentences. Which are they? They are declarative, second one interrogative, third one it is imperative, And fourth one, it is exclamatory sentence. So what are these sentences? Why are the sub sentences divided into 4 types? On what basis they are divided? Let's see now. Okay, so as we all know, sentences are divided into 4 types. Why did we divide them as 4 types? Why did we divide them as 4 types? We could have considered all the sentences equally, but we have divided on basis of the types or basis of the format they follow. So declarative sentences are nothing but they are statements. They are also called as assertions or assertive sentences. Interrogative statements or sentences are nothing but they are to ask questions. And imperative sentence is when we give commands or when we request. And what about exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences are those which express sudden feelings. So fourth one, it is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong feelings. So what are these feelings? The feelings may be like happiness, sadness, surprise, it may be satisfaction. And when we come to declarative sentence, they end with full stop or period. They end with a full stop or period. When we come to interrogative sentences, they always end with question mark. And when we come to imperative sentences, they always end either with a full stop or with a exclamation mark. And when you come to exclamatory sentences, they always have exclamation mark at the end. So these are the 4 types. So these are the 4 types of sentences. So when we know there are 4 types of sentences, how are they categorized? They are categorized based on what type of sentence it is. If the sentence is a statement which gives information or it states the facts, then it is called as declarative sentence. They are also called as assertive sentences. So what are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are the sentences which are used to ask the questions. And when you come to the third one, it is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the ones which either gives us commands or which are used to request. And when you come to the fourth type of sentence, it is exclamatory sentence, which is used to express our strong feelings, like when we are happy, or when we are sad, if we are surprised, or if we have satisfaction, then we use exclamatory sentences. Declarative sentences always end with a full stop or period, whereas interrogative sentences end with question mark, and the imperative sentences either end with a period or with the exclamation mark depending on the sentence. And when you come to exclamatory sentence, they always end with a exclamation mark. So let's see the examples of these types of sentences now, okay? So declarative sentence is nothing but it's a statement and it gives us information or it states the facts. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day. So when I tell this, I will end with a full stop. So here I am giving information on at what time I get up every day. So we get the information of the time I get up every day. And when you come to interrogative, it's a question sentence. Will you come to the market? So it ends with a question mark. Here we are expecting the information. We are in the need of information. When we want the information, we ask questions, and that is when interrogative sentences are being used. So example is, will you come to the market? And third one, it is imperative sentence where either we give commands or we request. I will give two examples here. For example, let's say, shut the door. So when I say shut the door, I am giving you the command. I am asking you to shut the door. I am giving you an order. Command or order. I am ordering you to shut the door. So this is a imperative sentence which ends with a full stop. And when you are asking, wait for me, then it ends with a exclamation mark, because I want you to wait for me. So at that time I use exclamation mark. Okay. And request. When do you request? Please pass it to me. So when I am requesting you, it also ends with a full stop. And what about exclamatory sentence? As we all know, I said it is used to express our strong feelings of happiness, sadness, surprise, satisfaction. So if I have to give an example, that is a big fish. So it is your surprise. So you have catched a fish and now you have got to know that it's a big fish. So you are very much surprised. Second example. What a beautiful day it was. So the day has completed and you are just thinking about how you spent the day, and you are very happy, you are very much satisfied the way the day has ended. So you are showing your satisfaction in this sentence. What a beautiful day it was. So at that time also we end the sentence with the exclamation mark. So these are the 4 types of sentences which we come across when we know the sentences. So children, I hope you all are clear with today's topic. Let's meet again with new topic of grammar. Till then, be safe and revise all the grammar topics. Dhanyavad.